Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a t to the power of 6 divided by 4 is equals to 16, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So you see that this is sixth order equation and we need to find all the six roots of the given equation. So first we need to move the value 4 to the right hand side, and it will be written as t to the power of 6 is equals to 4 times 16 is equals to 64. And now we rewrite this equation as you see that this is t to the power of 6 is equals to this is 64, and we write it as 4 cubed. We know that 4 cubed is equals to 64. And now here in the next step we write this t to the power of 6 as t square and its whole cubed, and we move 4 cubed is equals to into the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 4 cubed, and this whole equation equal to 0. You see here, this equation will becomes in cubic form, and here we apply the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have before applying the for cubic formula, first we need to convert this into the linear into in linear form. So for this we just make little bit substitution here, so that we will take here our x is equals to t square. So when you put t square is equals to x, this equation is written as x cubed minus 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that this equation will becomes into the cubic form, and here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. According to this cubic formula, we write our above equation as in this form. So if we have this is a minus b, the value of a is x minus the value of b is 4, and this is a square, the value of a is x square plus ab, the value of a is x and b is 4 plus b square, so b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 4 is equals to 0. And the second case is we write x square plus 4x plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step, from first case, we easily get the value of x is equals to 4. This is the first root of the given equation. And from here we have x square plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, and here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. So these are the coefficients of the given equation, and now here we need to write the quadratic formula to solve this equation. So for this we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c, and when we substitute all these values, it will be written as x is equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Further, in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of this is 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 times of 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. Further, we have minus 4 plus minus, this is square root of, here we need to take common 16 inside the square root sign, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And now here we need to break this fraction, and we write it as minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus. Here when we apply the square root sign separately on both of these two values, now we write it as square root of 16 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. Finally, we have this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get minus 2 plus minus. Here you see that the square root of 16 becomes 4 into, we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we have, this is minus 2 plus minus, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. And here further uh, we need to move backward, and we substitute the value of x here. So in the start of the problem we will take care of our x is equals to t square. So we back substitute this value, and when we put it here it will becomes t square equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So here we need to find the values of t. So for this we need to remove the square root sign from left hand side, and for this we apply square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root, it will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here t is equals to, when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign, and it will be written as plus minus square root of minus 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. These are the four complex roots of the given equation, and we have, there are two roots are the real roots. So for real roots, because here we find two values of x, so these two values are complex and this value is real. So when you put this value of x here, it will be written as t square equals to 4. Now here for the other values of t, we again apply square root on both of the sides, and it will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here t is equals to plus minus 2. So these are the two real roots of the given equation, and these are the four complex roots of the given equation. So these are the total 6 roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.